What's up, everybody? It's the Minnesota Beast. That's right, that's right. Older couple home renovations. What's up with that, Beast? What's up with that? Let me shut off these fans and I'll let you know why. I'll let you know why. Because it's a little loud. It's a little loud here. Woo! Alright. What's up with the Minnesota Beast changing his channel name to Older Couple Home Renovations? Alright, before I show you what we've been up to the last few days, this past week on this home renovation, I'll let you know what's going on. We did some thinking, and we ain't young whippersnappers no more. We ain't young whippersnappers. And I can't get rid of this dang gut. Hopefully this summer it will disappear a little bit more again. But you know what? We started doing some thinking, and we are both, I know I don't talk about it, I just say I'm old. We are both pushing almost 50 years old, alright? So we decided, you know, we should just change it up a little bit. So we want to do something a little bit more together, and we decided that with all this stuff going on in the world, with everybody, you know, getting sick and stuff, we thought we are both at home together, and what am I doing? I'm trying to catch some bugs. No, we're both home together right now. We both can't work, and what better to make home videos on what we're doing to share with you all, and that's why we're doing it. So I have a lot of footage from the previous videos that I used to make outside of what I enjoyed doing, right? But now we are constantly working on this fixer-upper. So I figured, why not make these renovation home videos for ourselves and for years to come for us as a couple to look at down the road. I'm going to take you out this tripod real quick. So that's why the Minnesota Beast changed his channel name to Older Couple Renovations, because you know what? We ain't getting any younger. So I'm going to hand the reins down to all the young cats that they can run the Minnesota Beast crazy stuff. And let it be. Let it be. But anyhow, we're coming along on this basement. Today's clip that you're going to see, I talked on it saying Saturday night. It was late night. I came down here and I jacked up the floor back this way. Tomorrow's video that I'm going to be posting will be a lot more of what we've been doing on cleaning this area up. But why are we making this channel as older couples? Brothers and sisters, the back, woo, the hands. We ain't young. And also, this big old Ace trash can, no crap. It ended up raining the last so many days. It ended up raining, so I am working that shop back to the T. That's right, I'm busting its balls. We've pushed out over 1,000 gallons of water a day, sucking up. Yes, that's right, we live in Minnesota. All the snow finally melted, but where did that snow go? It's going down into the basement. And we were keeping track by the little slots, 1111/5. I gave up doing that. I think she did too, but we were taking night and day shifts the last 3 days. 3 days. I'm tired. It's literally 3 a.m. again, and I'm downstairs sucking up water. And it sucks. It sucks. Literally sucks sucking up water. But anyhow, that's why we changed our name. I'm gonna get off here real quick, let you guys watch and gals watch the video of me just jackhammering the rest of this area back here. And today's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna try to get back here. That will be a few days later video, because of course I'm not a young whippersnapper to try to get everything done and make videos and post them and edit them. Editing sucks. So, sorry, bear with us on our editing skills. We're trying to get better. But we have to jackhammer back in the back area back there and start digging that sub pit. Ooh, so I can stick that basin in there so we can stop sucking up water and we can suck it up and push it outside with the sub pump. So anyhow, that's what's going on with our channel. And she does want to say hi, but she's been busy too. So thank you for everybody that's been watching and subscribing to our channel and giving us a few likes. I know it's a new journey, and it's what it is. Anyhow, you all have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. Beast out of here. Woo! Crazy. That's right. Crazy. Oh, I'm still a little wild, ain't I? I say, can you still have fun at almost 50 years old? Woo! Can you still have fun? Can you still listen to your crazy wild music? Can you still dance? Can you still take a time out and play Call of Duty? Heck yes! That's right, Grandpa Beast playing Call of Duty. What's up with that? Test me out. Woo! Crazy. What's up, everybody? What's up? You know, I'll tell you what, this is a job. You can see that I have a lot of water, right? A lot of water in here. That's constantly filling up because I'm trying to channel the water to where it's going to be located for the sub pump, the basin. But anyhow, I wanted to really take this area really careful. You saw I had to put some posts up because I have lean-in wall over there. And I'm going to be ripping that stairway out here eventually, really soon actually. We ordered the door Friday, so the patio door, so we have a way in and out of the house. But anyhow, it's about 9 p.m. on Saturday night. I think it's 9 p.m. Yeah, it's friggin' dark outside. So what I was doing, so that way when I come down here tomorrow, hopefully I won't have as much water over there like I have been vacuuming up. So now this will give it a little bit of air breathing and chance to hopefully dry it out since it's not supposed to rain, and it'll at least put the water somewhere else, and that will give me a head start. Now that I got my cut line started, I can just make my chunks and knock it out tomorrow morning. Alright, well, till tomorrow, I will talk to y'all later. And also, if you haven't seen it yet, that's our future bathtub. No shit. That's our future bathtub. And this fixture-upper. That's right. It's going to be our bathtub down here in the basement while the beast doesn't want to wreck the showers or anything else while we're working on this fixture-upper. I get to
wash these nuts. Woo! Beast out of here.